The fascinating Schnellert forest, located in the Berdorf area, hides caves of various sizes, all with a unique charm, which waiting to be discovered. One of them guards in its silence the ghosts of millennia-old stories. This cave, freely accessible and marked, was discovered by forestry workers in 1908, when they sought shelter from a violent thunderstorm under a rock ledge. A large room was found with the remains of ancient pottery, bones, fireplaces, spinning wheels and other interesting artifacts. After a scientific investigation, it was discovered that the cave had a long history of occupation, from the Neolithic period to the end of the 3rd century AD, leading to its current name of Cave of the Celts. The most recent traces of settlement are concentrated mainly in the rear part of the cave, where a collapse occurred. The professor leading the expedition advanced the interesting theory that there was a coin workshop there, perhaps even a counterfeit coin workshop, based on the large number of Roman coins of the Emperor Postumus found in perfect condition. He also discovered a human skeleton in the back, buried under a large stone, suggesting that the end of the settlement was caused by a catastrophic collapse. Higher up, a so-called Pseudo-Dolmen towers above the Celtic cave. It is a natural structure made of stone blocks, reminiscent of a dolmen. The remains of a man and a child from the Neolithic period were found in the Pseudo-Dolmen during excavations in 1908 and again in 2000, suggesting that the shape of the dolmen inspired people to use the site. Here, geological stories intertwine with human ones, weaving an anthology of intriguing and not entirely untold tales.